outfit. It's post time for the 8th. Ontario sired Pacers on the gates. Here they come. There they go. They're off and pacing. Larry's miss. Leaves from the inside. Tex will go with him down the center of the gate. Royal Canvas looks to get away well early on. Fourth one back. Medway Tower crossing over to be fifth to Mickey Tripp. And then it's the Chestnut Easton Bound, who has two beaten early on. Andreas Cardia. And last is Senattle Slew. It's Larry's miss pushing on through from the rail. He wants command, and he's got the front. As they hit the opening turn, it's Larry's miss riding that 6-race win streak. He's on top past the opening quarter in 27-1. He'll lead them over the tunnel and into the backstretch. Mayotte and Tex will sit pocket. Royal Canvas at long odds tracks from third. It's another two, pacing along fourth to Medway Tower. Fifth one back, McDonnell and two, Mickey Tripp. Watching that one's action is Easton Bound. Then it's a break of 2.5 to Andreas Cardia. Trailer, Senattle Slew. Larry's Mist looking for a second quarter breather here as he comes up to the half. It's Larry's Mist on top. Opening quarter leader at 27-1. He hits the half in 56-3, 29-2. That second panel. Tex still tracks from the pocket. Now we've got outer action. Here comes Medway Tower first up for Jamieson. He's soon to be second on the outside, and he's going to go after the front end sprinting Larry's Mist. Second over on his back to Mickey Tripp. Well spotted by McDonnell. Locked up fifth on the inside. Royal Canvas third over into the flow. Swelling up is Andreas Cardia. On that one's back, Senattle Slew. Dropping back is Easton Bound. 124 and 4 3/4. They picked it up there in that third panel. And it's still Larry's Mist. Being urged on now from Philly on his advantage is a length and a half. Texas sat the pocket. Medway Tower, he put up his charge. Now off his cover is going to be two Mickey Tripp. And here comes Andreas Cardia closing in down the center of the track. Larry's Mist still with the lead. Two Mickey Tripp. Andreas Cardia. Tex shaking loose late. In the middle, two Mickey Tripp. Outside Andreas Cardia. Andreas Cardia gets up in time. Two Mickey Tripp second. Tight for third in 1:53 and 4.